If you're a student, understanding climate change data will prove useful in your professional practice, but organizations use different datasets, which is confusing. WEMC's Teal tool allows you to quickly and easily identify specific events in your chosen timeframe and country. As an example, let's try to identify the succession of extreme winter storms that occurred in the United Kingdom from December 2013 to January 2014 that exceeded previous winter rainfall records in numerous regions and brought widespread impacts such as flooding, roadblocks, and power outages. This graph displays historical precipitation in millimetres per season for the UK, and you can see that precipitation during December, January and February of 2014 was the highest since 1950. This graph can therefore serve as indirect evidence of the succession of extreme winter storms that occurred between December 2013 and January 2014, bringing unprecedented precipitation. Teal makes collecting this data easy and quick, and in just one click you can download the graph to use in your coursework. Alternatively, if you wish to conduct further analysis, you can also download the raw data that is used to create the graph. For both image and data downloads, you can choose between several file formats. When you download data from Teal, you will only get the data displayed on the X and Y axis. You can further show your understanding of climate data by creating your own graph using input derived from the ERA5 datasets. Try it yourself at tealtool.earth/.